back, you guys. Hey, do you want to boost your cosplay influence so you can be a full-time cosplay influencer? Yeah? Sounds great. Well, this is the video for you. On this channel, we talk about cosplay and ways to live our best creative nerdy lives. Make sure that you like and that you subscribe so that you never miss another one of my fun nerdy lifestyle videos. Hi, my name is Jazzy from naturallycolorfulbabe.com, and I have done amazing things with cosplay in the small 2-year window that I've been becoming a more so cosplay influencer. In that time, I've been able to do great brand deals with Amazon Prime and Disney. I have been able to build a cosplay community and fan base, and I have been able to turn it into my full-time job. And I really want to give you guys tips on how to do the same. Okay, let's talk engagement. Engagement's that word that kind of everyone spews around, but does anyone actually know what engagement means? I'm not sure, but I can definitely tell you what it means to me. Engagement is building a community, it's building a relationship with my community as well as with other people who might want to join my community. There are two types of engagement. There's the engagement with the followers you already have and the engagement with the followers that you want to have. The followers you already have already know who you are and what you're all about, so you don't have to tell them and reintroduce yourself to them unless something's changed with your brand. You just want to build that relationship you already have with them. The second type of engagement is the followers you don't have. Now, my favorite way and the best way I was taught to engage with the followers I don't have is to look up the 6 top hashtags for my brand, which would be black cosplayers here, cosplaying while black, etc. The top users in that category. So I would look up Kira Please, I would look up Cutie Pie Sensei, huge black cosplayers, and then I would go to their most recent posts, I would comment on their most recent posts, and then I would go to who commented on their posts, and if anyone looks like they'd fit my brand and be someone that I would want to be part of my community, I know who my audience is, and that's an important thing. Once you figure out who your audience is, the engagement part gets so much easier. A best practice for engagement is about 1 to 2 hours a day. It's very, very time consuming, but if you want to hit that 100K mark, you're gonna have to do it. I've been slacking, so I've been somewhere between 1K and 3K for a while now, but I'm really gonna get back into my engagement because I want to grow, and so let's grow together. Alright, let's talk cross-sharing. Guys, just because you posted a video on TikTok doesn't mean you can't post it on YouTube, doesn't mean you can't post it on IGTV, Instagram Reels, post it on your IG page, post it on your blog. Cross-pollinate your content. Work smarter, not harder. I know a lot of people have been talking about this, and I just want to reiterate that doing that is really going to help you so that you don't burn out. So when you're in that cosplay, make sure that you make some TikToks, record a video of you getting into the cosplay or some behind the scenes information. Do whatever you can because you can't just trust one platform. Make sure you're on all the platforms you can be on so that you get the most face time with your audience. And finally, can we just talk about how much quality is better than quantity? Don't burn yourself out, guys. If you want to do a bunch of cosplay looks for Halloween and you want to get all your favorite Halloween characters out of the way, then do what you can, but don't burn yourself out. If your body is too exhausted to paint your face another freaking character, take a second, take a break. Don't burn yourself out. Be very, very cautious of the fact that your pictures are great quality, because if you want people to see your best work, even if it means that you only got 3 amazing shots at that photo shoot, well then you're only going to post those 3 amazing shots and we'll fill in the rest with other things. Instead of you trying to post as much as you can. Yes, post consistently, but post a little bit of everything. Your audience wants to see all of you. You don't have to create a personal Instagram and a cosplay Instagram. You can have both because you are the cosplayer and we want to hear about you just as much as we want to see your cosplay. So just make it all on one page. We will still follow. So tell me, what's your biggest cosplay goal this year? I know 2020 hasn't been great, but I'd really love to know, do you have a huge cosplay goal this year? I know I have one. I'll tell you below in the comments. So remember, learn how to engage and network online and build your audience. Make sure you're cross-sharing your content, and quality is better than quantity. Those are my tips for growing as a cosplay influencer so you can do this full time. For more tips, make sure that you follow me at naturallycolorfulbabe.com. And also, there's a freebie in the description box. Make sure you check that out. It's a step-by-step explanation on how I engage in my 2 different types of engagement that'll help you build your Instagram and build your following. This engagement method is amazing, and I am telling you, it is going to help you. Alright, make sure that you like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss another awesome nerdy lifestyle tips video. And also, don't forget to comment below what your cosplay goal for 2020 is. I really want to know so I can cheer you on, and the rest of us can cheer you guys on in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me. I cannot believe that I get to be here to share my awesome tips with you. I'm so excited about that. Alright, hey, there's some other tips videos that are actually pretty great. You should go check those out. Also, you know, maybe check out my blog. I don't know. And don't forget about your freebie. Bye, guys.